I called this out in advance in my private group. So you definitely want to tap in with my private group so that way you can get these calls when I first enter them. What's poppin'? It's your boy Cassius Crude. And what you're looking at right here is an oil trade that I'm up over 1,700% on right now. And I entered it in Phemex. And I think it's important to note that Phemex now has trading for tradfi, not just crypto. So that's stocks, commodities like oil, and precious metals like gold and silver. And, I entered this oil trade right down here. And some people asked me on Twitter, how did you know when to enter that trade? And I caught it. You can see I entered at 68. And, this morning it hit over 90 bucks. And, this is actually WTI, the actual ticker. And I want to show people how I did that because the Phemex ticker is this one here, XTI. That's why it shows that on the screen here, XTI right here. But that's just what they call it, the perpetual contract. So if you see here, the history doesn't go back that far on Phemex. Obviously, they haven't had it as long. WTI is crude oil, U.S. crude oil up here at the top. And you say, someone asked me how, what indicator did I use or how did I get this entry here? And I actually just used basic old support and resistance range. And I want to make sure I show you guys that I had to go back farther. So we'll make this P&L a little bit smaller here. This is when all the, the craziness happened. This is February of 26 this year. Oil shot way up, the Iran stuff. And basically, it chopped around and finally started coming back down again. And I knew that, the stuff that's going on in Iran is not settled yet. So I figured that the oil price would go back up again. It was just a matter of what price I should buy it at. So I was already watching it on the way down. Had a target range here, and I said, okay, what's the target range? I saw some call it out on Twitter. It's like, what's the target range? And, some people were waiting for it to go lower. And I was like, okay, I've got alert here on these two ranges. This is TradingView. And by the way, this is not financial advice. This is just my trade that I did. What you see on the screen is a Phemex invite code, GMMNX5. Use that anytime you create a Phemex account, and you'll get special perks and bonuses, but also you get free access to the premium side of my Discord group. But anyways, here's WTI. So I had to do the TA on the regular ticker for WTI. Okay, not to be confused with TI to rapper. And basically, this is pretty obviously to me a support and resistance line here. If you're going way back, this is way back in March of 2023. It's off the screen here. You can't really see the dates. But basically right here is December of 2023. Way back here is March of 2023. And you can see how price just kept bouncing off it right here, right here. These are what you call, so this would be a support line. We call it SR line, support and resistance. So I put an alert right here to alert me. Now this is on the 8-hour chart, which is basically the daily for TradFi. So when this came back down here, I was like, look, I could enter anywhere between here and here. The oil was essentially cheap way down here. I didn't think that was going to happen. We're still having the situation go on in the Middle East, and I'm like, there's no way that that's going to be settled anytime soon. So risk versus reward, anywhere between here and here is a buy. But I saw this settling down here, right? This looked like it might be the bottom. When we gave me this one more bounce down, I said I'm going to enter. And I always tell people in my group, I said it's good to enter on a scam wick, which is basically, that last liquidity grab. Some people probably entered here, and you can see a gap down right to here. Let me move this over on the screen. You can see right here is where that really was the peak that, when everything started to take off. So that was what was telling me is really just basic old support and resistance. Somebody traded this breakout, went long and made a lot, I'm sure. But now that we revisited it, boom. I caught it. I caught it exactly right. You can see it was exactly at 68, Now, honestly, it's slightly different. You can see here the ticker's barely different. WTI shows 93. This shows 92.07. So it's a little bit different. Down here in 68 on the actual ticker. Make sure you always have the actual ticker that you're trading on the screen. Once you zoom it in and you're doing this is still 8 hours, right? We'd have to zoom in. I was looking at it, probably like 1 hour or even shorter time frame. So it bounced around down here. I entered somewhere when it hit 68. It had a limit buy set. So it hit 68, limit triggered the first time I hit it somewhere down here. And I'm just like, I'm going to ride it back up again, And so basically, you slap on 50x leverage, and that's how you get 1,700%, okay? So I just wanted to show that, Phemex is where you can do leverage trading so you can get bigger bang for your buck on your trades. This is 50 times, the position size that I actually put in for my actual margin, my own money. And so, they calculate the ROI based upon that. So that's why it looks so big, right? Because it went from 68 to 93, you know, that's a 1700% increase because it's 50x leverage. So that's why a lot of people like trading on leverage trading platforms, because you get that extra, you know, it's less risk for a larger gain. You know, you would get stopped out if it went any lower. I wouldn't lose that much money. But if it goes higher, you get the benefit of it just running and running. So now we're back into a zone here, which is kind of, you know, I won't necessarily call it a support resistance zone. It's kind of a sideways chop zone. You know, I expect there to be some chop, and depending on what happens with the news is what will happen with oil. You know, this is one of those things that I took some of my position off the table. I still have half of it open, and we're going to see where it goes from here. But it's really no telling. If you get a real supply squeeze, it could shoot way up again. So it could go even higher. So anyways, this is where I am right now. I'm letting the rest ride. And that's it for this video. Follow your boy Cassius on all platforms, but especially on YouTube. Subscribe and shares with your friends, and also join my private group, because that's where I call this out in real time. I should have said that at the beginning. I called this out in advance of my private group. So you definitely want to tap in with my private group, so that way you can get these calls when I first enter them. In fact, I called it out before it. I said that I was entering it before I even, before it even hit 68. 68 was my entry target. So anyways, make sure you follow your boy Cassius. More trades coming.